Hello there, and welcome to the new District 25 Toastmasters website. My name is Michael Levy on the web team, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about our new website and how to get around. To begin, as you can see here, we are on the homepage of District 25. At the top, you will see our main headings for each of the main categories of District 25. We have our Find a Club piece, which will help you to search for clubs all throughout Toastmasters International, as well as inside District 25. You're also going to have About Us, which will include a little bit of the history of District 25, along with the history of the Hall of Fame, award winners, and much more there. We also have our leadership pages, which will then allow you to see our district, our senior leadership, as well as our district staff, the pathways coordinators and pathways ambassadors, and our area directors and division directors. Lots of information you will find inside leadership. The heart and soul of the district website is going to be our resources, and resources is going to be very in-depth. We have made it a little bit easier, though, that will allow you to see a little description of all of our different categories. When you click on the resources, you will then see how you could go. You'll have different parts of the website that you will be able to go to. Also, our news section, this will be about how our blog posts, which will include various stories from around the district, along with Toastmaster International news, and as well as the details on our local contests and conferences. So you'll find all of those great details in the news section. In the calendar will have the latest events that will happen across the district, along with more from our trio of District 25, so the very fun functions that they do, as well as a lot of our area clubs and area contests. Those schedules and everything will be posted on the calendar, and you'll see this calendar throughout the website as you go along. What's next? The What's Next section is going to have pretty much the next major thing that's coming up in Toastmasters. When you see on these links here, you will find that you'll have a conference page, or whether it's Toastmasters Leadership Institute or the TLIs, you'll find those links for a little common place for them to easily access right here on the top menu. Across here, you will see the blog posts. They will also show up right here. If you're on a big desktop screen, you'll probably see about 4 posts. To your mobile devices like your iPads, probably 2 pictures, and on your mobile phone and cell phones, you'll probably have one picture. These will be your rotating images along the way, which will help you see the latest events that are coming through. And again, we will be changing in and out some of the different highlights across the website too. Also, we'll have a constant section here like your upcoming events, things on pathways, the incentives, and things on hot topics, things that you'll see all the time right here on the homepage. They'll be housed right here. Our social media links will be at the bottom of the page, which then you can have various choices of seeing all the different things that are happening across District 25. And you can access the YouTube channel as well as the Twitter feed for all the latest announcements. Now, the bread and butter, which is a really great thing, is at the bottom here on the footer. Now, you can get around our entire website on these menu choices. As we are building the site, we will continue to add different choices that will allow you to get around our site a little bit easier. So if when in doubt at any page across the website that you need to find something, come down here to the footer, and you will be able to find a little bit better breakdown list of where to go across D25. But again, we have some general information type things, the club growth section, program quality, along with just general news and community links that will be here on the side. So and also our headings that you see at the top of the page here in the burgundy, you will now see at the bottom too, and you'll be able to highlight those and get them just as like you are at the top. I hope this video has been very helpful. Again, this is just a general overview of the homepage of the new District 25 website. Thank you for watching. My name is Michael Levy. If you have any further questions, let the web team know, and we are always looking for feedback on how to make this website better. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.